Welcome back. Models can't act. इस myth को तोड़ने के लिए काफी साल लग गए. But the final validation came when a model turned actor was honored with a national award. He is none other than Arjun Rampal. Welcome to the show, Arjun.
Thank you.
हाँ, Incar is about sexual harassment, लेकिन ये corporate sector पे based है. But do you believe that sexual harassment at this point is universal and more so in Bollywood?
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल से बॉलीवुड में कम है हरासमेंट, सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट, क्योंकि जो हमने जितने भी सर्वेज वगैरह किए हैं, जो भी रिसर्च किया है, उसके मुताबिक मोस्ट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हैपन इन क्लोज्ड एनवायरनमेंट्स. अभी क्या होता है कि हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कि आप एक यूनिट के साथ काम करते हैं, फिर आप घर जाते हैं या फिर आप दूसरे यूनिट के साथ जुड़ जाते हैं अपनी अगली फिल्म के साथ. तो ज़्यादा करके यू आर स्पेंडिंग मैक्सिमम about 50-60 days with those people. उस हिसाब से I think it works more in a scenario like that.
Right. And this is the first film with your film with Sudhir Mishra and Chitrangada Singh.
जी.
और दोनों already एक साथ काम कर चुके हैं.
जी.
So how was it for you to fit in and did you feel left out at any point?
मैंने तो सबसे पहले बोला सुधीर को कि तुम अपनी सबसे कमर्शियल फिल्म मेरे साथ ही बनाओगे. Okay. और तो सुधीर जब आए थे मेरे पास स्क्रिप्ट लेकर, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि ये फिल्म है इनकार, और मैं सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट को थोड़ा मगर ये सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट के बारे में ही फिल्म नहीं है, ये रिश्तों के बारे में भी है, और सुधीर उस किस्म की ही फिल्में बनाते हैं जो बहुत लेयर्ड होते हैं. तो मैं सोचा ठीक है ये फिल्म है, मगर आई रियली थॉट कि स्क्रिप्ट वाज वेरी लीनियर वो टाइम पे. देयर वाज नो बैक एंड फोर्थ, इट वाजंट यू गोइंग थ्रू 7 years एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. और उस वक्त मैं आई वाज नॉट शूटिंग, आई हैड अ month and a half off. और आई सेड आई लाइक सर्टेन जर्म्स इन द स्क्रिप्ट बट आई रियली डोंट लाइक द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इट. And what I really liked about Sudhir was that he was open-minded, and he also said कि हाँ यार थोड़ा boring हो गया, थोड़ा we've not really kind of gone deep into it. And we both started exploring it, the subject. अगर बनती है तो बनती है, फिल्म नहीं बनती है नहीं बनती है, कुछ और करेंगे साथ में, क्योंकि we both wanted to work with each other. And through that, I think I got to know Sudhir. तो जब मैं सेट पर गया, and we'd spent about 3 months before that just interacting and putting this whole film kind of working on it, So it was great to join their team.
So was it more like a serious kind of atmosphere या बहुत?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. क्या है कि ये जो राहुल वर्मा जो कैरेक्टर है मेरा, he is a very charismatic character. वो अगर ये इस फिल्म को बस आप बहुत सीरियस कर दो तो बिल्कुल entertaining नहीं होगी, and then it will not be a Sudhir's most commercial film. Okay, और अभी हम business of Bollywood में बात कर रहे हैं, तो I think you have to look at the commercial angle of it as well. ये फिल्म आपको entertain भी करेगी, ये फिल्म आपको वो भी दिखाएगी, वो सब चीज़ें बाहर निकल के आएगी कि एक वर्क एनवायरनमेंट में आप क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं, और कानून क्या कहता है इन चीज़ों के बारे में. अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ यार आप उस ड्रेस में बड़े सेक्सी लग रहे हैं या हॉट लग रहे हैं, आप कल मुझ पर एक सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट का केस फाइल कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इट रियली डिपेंड्स. एक औरत कुड बी she's happy.
I guess if it makes you uncomfortable.
Yeah, if it makes you uncomfortable, और किस तरीके से बुला गया है, इसको misuse भी किस तरीके से किया जा सकता है. All these things are there. मगर इतनी ambiguity है वहाँ पर कि आप नहीं बोल सकते कि ये right है, ये wrong है.
Okay, coming to you now. जब आपने acting शुरू की थी, a lot of people criticized you for your acting. लेकिन then you went on to win a national award. So how did the perspective of Bollywood change after you won the award?
देखिए जब when I came into the industry, at that point only उन लोग ने तो तय कर दिया था कि जितने भी मॉडल्स आते हैं उनका कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Okay, तो there's already a preconceived notion that you're coming in with. जब मेरी फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी, I'll tell you very honestly, there was an acceptance of a model. These things, perception has to keep changing. Right. Life is about perception, and business is about that. You're as good or bad as your last film in this industry.
But since you were a model, was it? Did you have to put in double the effort to kind of prove yourself or anything of that sort?
Prove क्या करना है? किसको prove करना है? आप समझ जाते हो, prove तो किसी को नहीं करना है.
But when we come to actors like A-list actors like Salman Khan, जो लोग काफी no-brainers films one after the other आते रहे हैं. And he is still doing really well. Has it?
देखिए आपने जो शब्द यूज़ किया no brainer, okay? there is no way, there is not a brain that's gone behind a film that is so successful. When a Salman Khan film comes out and it does 150 crores or 200 crores or whatever it does, okay, he pumps in a lot of money back into the industry.
Right, absolutely.
Okay, which gives an opportunity for other filmmakers, okay, to do an experiment also. Who are they experimenting on? On that money that's come back in.
Right.
How is that production, how is being able to do that? Is when those big films, okay, make money.
No, absolutely. But the question was basically that he's been doing the same kind of film again and again, which have its own, of course, audience, but it is on the same genre.
Yeah.
You know, the action comedy genre.
But that works for him.
Yeah, but
it doesn't work
would
for
you
me.
say that you will have to prove yourself again and again, or do you think you fit into a certain kind of genre?
I don't know.
already?
I don't think I fit into any genre. And that's what I've always worked towards, that I can do everything.
काफी films में आप character roles play करते हैं, मतलब you don't mind playing a character
I like
role.
to play characters.
But keeping Bollywood in mind, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम लोग character artist and then we have your lead, you know, that whole categorization.
अब तो नहीं रहा ना. In the beginning, you used to have films where there was an actor who was a comedian. There was the villain.
Yeah.
There was the hero. There were the character actors. Today, every actor is doing all those jobs.
And Arjun, you've been around in this industry for a while now, और आपने काफी contacts बनाए, काफी friends बनाए. How much does friends in this industry help for you to get work in the future?
My best friends are the people who I'm working with at that point in time.
Okay.
Okay, because you have to love your whole unit.
Well, Arjun, thanks for being with us and best of luck for Inkar.
Thank you.
And all the other films that are coming.
Thank you.
So, thank you for being with us.
Thanks. It's been a pleasure.